1. Bhagat Singh, born on September 28, 1907, was a fearless Indian freedom fighter who played a significant role in the country's struggle against British colonial rule. 2. A member of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, HSRA, Singh is remembered for his acts of protest against British oppression. 3. His courageous actions, including the throwing of non-lethal bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly, were a form of protest against repressive laws. 4. Bhagat Singh, along with Rajguru and Sukhdev, was sentenced to death in the Lahore conspiracy case and was executed on March 23, 1931. 5. Singh's famous slogan, "Inquilab Zindabad, long live the revolution," became a rallying cry for the independence movement. 6. He used his time in jail to write powerful essays, such as Why I Am an Atheist, reflecting his ideologies and commitment to social justice. 7. Bhagat Singh's sacrifice and martyrdom inspired generations of Indians to continue the fight for freedom and justice. 8. His legacy lives on through numerous memorials, and March 23 is observed as Shahid Diwas, Martyrs' Day, in his honor. 9. Bhagat Singh's determination and revolutionary spirit made him a symbol of resistance against oppression and tyranny. 10. Even though his life was cut short at a young age, Bhagat Singh's contributions to the Indian independence movement remain etched in the nation's history.